If your engine feels like it is shaking or losing its punch when you merge onto the highway, you might have a hidden power struggle happening inside one of your cylinders. The diagnostic trouble code P0287 refers to a cylinder 9 contribution or balance issue. This OBD2 code tells you that the powertrain control module has detected that cylinder number 9 is not pulling its weight compared to the others. Since most common cars only have 4 or 6 cylinders, seeing a code for cylinder 9 means you are likely driving a heavy-duty truck or a high-performance vehicle with a V10 or V12 engine. The computer monitors the power output of each cylinder by looking at how much the crankshaft accelerates during each power stroke. If one cylinder is weak, the crankshaft speed does not increase as much as it should, and the computer flags the fault. You will likely feel a rough idle, reduced acceleration, and a noticeable drop in your fuel economy as the engine tries to compensate for the dead weight. The most common culprit is usually a fuel-related problem rather than a mechanical one. It could be a clogged fuel injector that is dribbling fuel instead of spraying a fine mist, or perhaps a corroded electrical connector that is preventing the injector from firing correctly. To diagnose this, a technician might perform a cylinder drop test by checking the RPM levels while manually disabling injectors to see which one causes the smallest change. You can try to fix this yourself by inspecting the wiring harness for pushed-out pins or corrosion. A good trick is to use a long screwdriver as a stethoscope by placing the handle to your ear and the tip against the injector to listen for a consistent ticking sound. If you hear nothing, the injector might be dead or losing power. You can also try using a direct fuel injector flush kit to clean out any dirt or contamination. However, if the rough idle persists after cleaning and resetting the computer, you will need to replace the fuel injector entirely to get your engine back to full power and prevent long-term damage to your catalytic converter.